This is the Alex and Ivan team working on the elliptical cursor, which is a follow-up to the bubble cursor paper by Grossman. To present a task to a user, we simply display some text on the screen, instructing them to click on the targets. The user will keep clicking on the targets until the program tells them that the experiment is finished. In this experiment, the point cursor and the bubble cursor are the control conditions, and the elliptical cursor is our experimental condition. In addition to the cursor type, we modulate two other variables, the amplitude and the distractor density. The amplitude is the distance between the cursor and the next target, while the density is the number of targets on screen. To store our data, we are using Firebase's real-time database. Each of these entries is another experiment. Inside we have a list of blocks, and each block corresponds to a different cursor. So for example, the cursor type 2 is the elliptical cursor. Inside we see 9 trials. Each trial has a different combination of variables, namely the amplitude and the distract density. In order to keep the experiment shorter, we kept the effective width constant at 1. Each of these trials contains 10 clicks, and the click contains information such as the starting and ending position of the cursor, position of the goal target, how long it took for the user to click on the goal target, and if they misclicked, it stores a list of the positions that they misclicked.